You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.